In this tutorial, I'll show you how to promote affiliate link without a website. If this is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. Alright, so this is Digistore 24, but I'm going to use Amazon to show you the method I'm about to use. You can use any affiliate program at all of your choice. Alright, so let's get straight into the video. So you can sign up for Amazon Associate. It's free. If you don't know how to sign up, I'll drop a tutorial in the description box. You can click on it and watch it. So when you sign up and log in, this will be your dashboard. So first, we need to find a product to promote. So the product is called Organifi. Then enter, or you can click on go. So this is the product. Click here to open. Alright, so I'm going to leave it. You can use the shortener HTML code. Alright, so we're going to undo. Alright, so next we need to log into Google site. Alright, so make sure you've logged in to your Gmail account. So it can be any Gmail at all. Google site sign in. So first you have a blank, which is what we're going to be using: portfolio, event, help center, and project. So these are the sites I have running right now. So I'll click on the plus sign. Okay, so straight up we have to title our page. Everything I'll show you in this tutorial is free. Okay, you don't need to pay for anything. Make sure you have a keyword, a very strong keyword before your product. Then click outside, and I'm gonna highlight this and delete it. Alright, because I don't want it to appear on my page. Now I'm gonna highlight and reduce the text size to 36. I'll delete it and I'll go to my little note. What you need to do if this is your first time and you don't know how to write a blog, I'll show you a quick tip. So you're gonna access Google, eSign articles. This one, they are free to use. So click on health and fitness and weight loss. How to make lasting lifestyle changes that will help you lose weight and keep it off. 3 ways your body uses your diet. Top 3 reasons why carbs are not bad. Alright, so I'll click on this one. Highlight everything. Like I said, this is a free article that anybody can use. Okay, so right click, copy, and go back to Spinboard. Right click. You can use the articles without doing anything. You just have to include the article source. All right, see this? If you're gonna spin it, then just take it off, and you have 10,000, and right now I have 7,505 more words. So I'm gonna click I'm a human. Please click each image containing a train. So this is a train, a train, a train, train as well. And that's it. Let's see. Bam. Okay, so click go. We'll see. It's just rewriting the article. So see, you don't have to go to the gym or even outdoors to burn calories. This one say you don't need to go to the rec center or even outside to consume calories. So sometimes you just have to read and make little changes. Okay. All right. So I'll close this and I'll close this as well. All right. So I'll show you my article. So I'll copy this. Right click, copy, go back here, right click, and paste as plain text. Okay. All right. All right, so now I'm going to change the background image. Change image. You can upload from your computer or select stock free image. So search. These are all free images. So I'll say weight loss. Have idea of what you are about to promote. And in this case, it's a blended powder, so you can drink. So I have to find something like vegetables for people to know that they can lose weight with this. Since this is like a juice, I will type in. All right, so let's use this. Click on it. Good. So this look attractive. Now just click under here and test. So now I have to copy my article. It's always good to prepare your article ahead. All right, just to save time. And I'm gonna right click, paste, and just do some simple editing. Now we have to add the affiliate link. So let's say if you are using Digistore 24, you're just gonna come up here, okay, and click promote after signing in, but make sure you have registered already, and I have tutorials on it. I'll drop it. All right, so now it's time to get the affiliate link, okay? And like I said, the method I'm using, you can use it to promote any affiliate product at all, okay? So I'll go to Amazon, and with Amazon, you cannot embed their code to a text. So what we'll do, click here and type in organ juice. Then we're gonna go back, shorten, then I'll highlight this, right click, copy, then I'll go back, paste it, double click, then you enter. It's gonna make it a clickable link. Don't say click here to buy and stuff like that. No, you don't do that. Organic green juice or the product name, then you just drop the link. Okay, this is how Amazon want it. So first, they want people to see this name. Second, they want you not to be pushing people to click on your link. They want people to click the link willingly. Okay, so what I'll do next, I'll highlight, right click, copy, and I'll go down. Okay, first we're gonna put one here, paste it, and we have to find in the middle to put another one. Right here will be good. Then paste and give a little space. Make sure you check the preview. All right, then on tablet, on mobile. All right, so this is how it's gonna look on mobile. Really nice. Okay, so let's S out. When you are satisfied with everything, you click on publish. This will be your link when you publish. Then you click publish. All right, so view it, or you can come up here, copy link, and open another window, and you go to incognito, drop it. See this home, you can take it off, and you can copy this link only. So both ways work. I don't like the home at the end, but it's up to you. It's not a big deal. Enter, bam, and simple, and you have your affiliate link in there. All right, so let me close this. So still the editor is open, so this is how it's gonna look like, and I'll show you the best strategy to promote this product to make money. All right, so right now I'm on Twitter, and the best way to promote this product is to come up here, then you type in I want to lose weight, enter. All right, so you see this, I want to work out / weight lift, not necessarily to lose weight but to build muscles, but I don't know where to even begin, and gyms intimidate me. All right, so let's see. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna click on here and you just write something nice. Let's say I know how you feel. Read. When you say read this article, people don't like reading, so you're gonna be like find out here. Okay, then you drop your link, click reply. So this lady will read it, and if she's interested, she'll click on the link and she'll buy it. Okay, and also all her followers will see this post, and they will get to know and also get into it. All right, so you're gonna at least reply like about 10 people per day. You're gonna make sales. And the reason why you have to use Google Sites to create all this link and stuff, Amazon, they don't want you to be spamming their links on social media. You can do that on YouTube. Alright, so this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel because I drop how to make money online tips every week. Until next time, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.